In this video, we're going to have a quick look at adding background effects to your Microsoft Teams meetings videos. So rather than just showing what's going on in your office or in any room that you're in, or using some of the preset images, you can add your own. And you do that just by, when you're in a meeting, click on the three dots and then go to where it says Apply Background Effects. And right at the top, you've got the opportunity to add a new image. So click on Add New, and then you'll just need to navigate into your computer and find the image you're looking for. I'm going to put a Techify background on and select it, and what it will do is it will upload it and it'll be at the bottom of the list. So you will need to scroll down, so don't worry if you don't see it, it's right down the bottom there. And then I can use this when I turn my video on to stick in my background. So have a go. Get yourself a couple of images on there. It could be anything from somewhere in New York, a park, could be an office, it could be your brand logo or something relevant to the meeting you're delivering, just to change it up and have something different there. Have a go and see how you get on.